See, if you look into the problem, what they have given here, they have given a one function. What is g of x in terms of a determinant? We need to, where c is a constant, and we need to find the limit x tends to 0, g of x by x we need to find, right? So first of all, now let us see how to do this. Is it okay? So now, first of all, let us consider what they have given. What is that? That is limit, just a second. They are asking limit x tends to 0, g of x by x they are asking. Agree? So what I will suggest you, simply take, let us find for g of 0 what it will be. Let me show you. We have a g of x already, we have, right? So try to find g of 0. What is g of 0? Wherever x is there, you need to take it as a 0. Is it okay? Just a second. Yeah. So take it as a 0. What will be getting here? This is g of 0, which means f of 0 plus c will be c, and f of 0 plus 2c will be 2c, f of 0 plus 3c will be 3c. What did you understand what I'm doing? Wherever x is there, I'm just replacing 0 in the f of x g of x function. Agree? So in the second row there is no x term, so I'll be writing as it is f of c, f of 2c, and f of 3c. In the third row also there is no x function, so I'll be writing as it is f dash of c, f dash of 2c, and this will be f dash of 3c. Agree? If you check into the determinants, we have one property. If any two rows or any two columns are identical, then we can say the determinant value will be 0. So from this I can say g of 0 will be what? This is 0 alone. Is it okay? The same thing. So what I will do, we have you get it out, ma'am, why we have done this. Let me show you how. And why limit x tends to 0. If you have g of x by x, can I write this as g of x minus 0 by 0? Why? Because nothing will affect. Simply I can actually rewrite this as limit x tends to 0, g of x. In place of 0, can I take it as g of 0? Why? Because g of 0 is 0, and I'm not applying for the denominator, I'm applying for only for the numerator. Is it okay? If you look into the definition of a derivative, what is f dash of a formula? We know that limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This is the general definition for what? For the function, like what I can say, derivative of a function. Is it okay? The same thing will be applying here. So this is nothing but what? Limit x tends to 0, which is z dash of x, which is z dash of 0. Again, agree? Instead of finding limit x tends to 0, g of x by x, if you found z dash of 0, that will be more than enough. Is it okay? For finding g dash of 0, you don't know how to differentiate the derivative of a function. Agree? So now let us assume we have a function y, which is in the form of f, g, h, and let us take as a x. Okay. If you want to find the derivative of any determinant, what should we do? We have to differentiate the numerator, that is f dash g dash. Try to write the, not numerator, first row. Try to write the second row as it is h and x, plus. Try to write the first row as it is f and g. Try to differentiate the second row, that will be h dash into x dash. Similarly, this is for 2 cross 2. Similarly, for 3 cross 3 also same thing. First row derivative, second two rows as it is, plus. Second row derivative, rest of the two will be as it is, plus. Third row derivative, rest of the two will be as it is. That is a formula here. Is it okay? Yeah. So what we will do, let us take a g of x function here. Is it okay? So what is our g of x? Let me write the function. We know that g of x is nothing but a determinant. I am so sorry. Yes, we know that g of x is nothing but f of x plus c times f of x plus 2c times f of x plus 3c, and second row will be what they have given, f of c, f of 2c. I am just writing the question what they have given, f of 3c. And what is the continuation part here? This is f of sorry, f dash of c they have given, f dash of 2c they have given, and this will be f dash of 3c they have given. Is that okay? Yes. So what to do? We need to differentiate this term. So let me help you with this. G dash of x is nothing but first row derivative. What is derivative of first row? F dash of x plus c, f dash of x plus 2c, and this is also f dash of x plus 3c. Is it okay? Rest everything will be f of c as it is, f of 2c as it is, f of 3c as it is. Third row will be f dash of c as it is. Is it fine? And this will be f dash of 2c as it is, and this will be f dash of 3c as it is, right? Plus what I said, second row we need to differentiate, means copy the first row as it is, f of x plus c, f of x plus 2c, and this is f of x plus 3c. If you differentiate the second, check the second row, there is only c term, there is no x variable. If there is no x variable, obviously it will comes under the case constant. What is constant derivative? That is 0. Second element is also 0, third element is also 0. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So this is f dash of c, f dash of 2c, and this will be f dash of 3c. Agree? Plus, we are done. What should we do? The last means first row will be as it is. Let me write the first row from the question as it is, f of x plus 3c. Second row will be also as it is, which is f of c, f of 2c, f of 3c. And the third row only we need to differentiate one by one, right? Third row, is there any x variable? No. If there is no x variable, obviously it will comes under the case what? Constant term. We know that constant derivative will be 0. So 0. The next element is also no variable, which is 0. Here also no variable means it's a constant. So it will be, derivative will be 0. Is it okay? Yes. So from this what I'll be getting? G dash of what we want? We want a 0, right? So z dash of 0. Before moving on to that, I'll help you. You know, for any row or any column, if each and every element is 0 in that row, means this determinant value will be 0. Here also, the last row is 0 now. Means I can say that this determinant value must be is equal to 0. This is the properties of a determinants. Is it okay? Sorry. So what should we do? Wherever, only first determinant will be left. Wherever x is there, take 0. Means f of 0 plus c, f dash of 0 plus 2c, and it will be f dash of 0 plus 3c. What is the second row? That will be f of c, that will be f of 2c, and that will be f of 3c. And what is the third row? F dash of c, and f dash of 2c, and f dash of 3c. Is it okay? Yes. So from this what I can say? I can say that g dash of 0 will be what? 0 plus c will be what? Same again, f dash of c. This is f dash of 2c, and this will be f dash of 3c. What about the next one? That will be f of c. This is f of 2c, and this is f of 3c. Agree? What about this one? This is f dash of c. This is f dash of 2c. This is f dash of 3c. Is it okay? Yes. If you look into this, for any two rows or any two columns are identical, we can say the determinant value will be what? Equals to 0. Yes, this also will be the property of a determinants. Is it okay? So from this what we'll be getting? Z dash of 0 will be what? Simply 0 alone. But what they're asking? They're asking us to find limit x tends to 0, g of x by x. Actually, I have solved this for further. This is nothing but z dash of 0 also. 0 only we need to find. What is 0? Z dash of 0? That is nothing but 0. This is how we'll be doing here. Is it okay? If you feel like any difficulty, if you feel like you did not understand any step in between, you just let me know. I think so. I am done with this. Okay. Thank you.